Spokane Public Schools' local levy funds essential programs and services for our students. Things like smaller class sizes, technology support and curriculum, music and art classes, AP courses, special education services, and all extracurriculars like athletics, drama, band, choir, debate, and other school clubs. Levies also help fund important staff positions, including nurses, counselors and behavioral specialists, and custodians. These roles have been critical in making distance learning successful during COVID-19 and safely bringing some students back into classrooms for in-person learning this year. All these programs and essential staff positions are made possible thanks to the community support of the levy. The 2021 3-year replacement levy is on the February 9th ballot. To learn more, please visit SpokaneSchools.org/levy.